Let's get personal for a second because this year has been loud. Yo, I can't even begin to think. So for me, this has been a rough year because I'm not going to be personal and be detailed about the things that I went through this year. But let me just use this analogy. Have you walked in wet shoes? How difficult it is to work, how uh, it slows you down basically. This was the year for me. And so it was really very difficult for me to just be at my own pace and do and execute on all the things that I intended to do this year. And so I feel a little bit behind in terms of my own personal goals and all the things that I wanted to do. And I guess it's life, man. Life happened. And especially this year, it was rough, man. And so posting became harder to do. My energy dipped. But there is an upside to all this. This year, life forced me to look in the direction of things that I would otherwise ignore. It forced me to learn new things that I guess I need in my life right now. And so with all that said, every day, every minute, I live my life knowing that everything that is happening for me, in a sense that I can enjoy the moment or learn from the moment and show up better next time, basically. And so because life becomes so hard and then we slack, we are not disciplined, and then our consistency drops, we feel like we are failures and we are not working on our goals, we are not doing what we set up to do. But at the same time, I want you to look at it like this is something that people can relate to. People slip up, people fall back and they slack and they stop doing what they should do, they get distracted, and so on. And so I think we are humans, and then again it's like we are all living our first life, and nobody can really truly tell you how to live your life or how to go about solving a specific problem in your life. But by you being intentional and consistent and just zeroing in on what it is you want to change about your life, basically. And for me, I want to be consistent, on my YouTube channel. I want to create more content for you guys. And I want to pop up in your faces more often when you switch on those social media apps. I want you to see me. I want you to learn from me. Yes, and the idea of this is to teach you guys. I love teaching. So yeah, man, I'm telling you that last year, this year is not ending as how I thought it would, but I'm working on it. Next year I want to step with my best foot forward and actually try to see how I can be consistent for you guys. So the strategy for next year, content creation wise, is simple. I've simplified it for myself. I want to upload at least 2 or 3 times a week, on this channel. And yeah, man, I just want to create simple ideas with one topic. Yeah, and be consistent with my upload, basically. Focus more on progress rather than perfection. and just continue building habits that support my creativity basically. If you want to be a part of the journey, and if you want motivation and inspiration, but most importantly discipline for you to keep going, keep creating like I am, align yourself with my journey by subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss every week's upload, and then please share your thoughts and comments in regards to this video and what you want to accomplish in a few months from now, next year basically. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I see you in my next video.